putting it in your house. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, so let's spend half of the day together. It is currently 11:30. My name is Jamila Daura, by the way. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today I am going to be bringing you guys along some errands I need to run, and also just spend the day with me, or half the day with me. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. So I have been really working, really working, cleaning up, organizing. So I can't even show you guys so much in this room because things are just all over the place. So I was supposed to actually go out to go renew my license on Monday. That was my plan, that was my intention. Yeah, so but I went to the mailbox today and I saw that they sent the renewal notice, and I want to do that, but let's see. It says I can actually do it online, so let's see what that would do. But I don't even have my driver's license here, so hopefully they won't request for it. Otherwise I'll just go downstairs and do it in the car before I head out. So I need to sign up for it, so let me just go downstairs. Everything that is required is downstairs in the car, so I'm just going to go downstairs and do it. However, I'm going to bring you guys along. I have a few places to go, few errands to run, and let's get started. I hope you enjoy this vlog, this half a day vlog with me. I'm not going to be going with my camera, however I'm going to capture whatever I need to capture on my phone because I want to keep this as tight as possible. Ignore the glare from the lights at the back. I am currently in the garage. I need to head out now, but I want to make a quick list of the things that I need to get because I don't want to go out again. I want to make sure I get everything. As for the driver's license thing, I'm going to do it when I go pick up the kids. I have my paper here, so I'm going to just write down what I need to get here. But I'm going to first of all stop to pick up gas and my medication. I want to go to Marshall's. This quality is horrible. It is horrible, but I'm going to stop at the gas station and also pick up my medications, and from there I will proceed to Marshall's. There's a new Marshall's that opened up in a city over us. I'll go there and go to Walmart. So let's get going. I hate this quality, so let's move towards better things. I'm here. I've been scouting no spin brush. This is what they have. No spin brush for the face, just konjac sponge, and I don't want konjac sponge, but I found a few things for myself, so let's keep shopping. My love for accent mirrors, but I don't have a space in my house, so at this point I am just feeding my eyes. Not that I want to buy anything. Look at this very beautiful artificial pampas grass, guys. Her one is $16. Like, for why though? For why? But it's so beautiful, so beautiful. Imagine having a space like this and putting it in your house. This functional cart is a must-have for when you are traveling. I've been meaning to buy this, but I'm not ready for it now. It's $119. But when you're traveling abroad, just look for a space and put it inside your things. But this one is heavy. There are lighter ones, sure. There are lighter ones. This one is very heavy. Oh, this is size 4, 6, 5. Tyrian needs socks. Hey guys, quick update. I just finished at Marshall's. I had the most meticulous, I don't like to say slow. So I would say the most meticulous cashier checked me out. This lady, oh my goodness, like the time she spent on me, the person next to her had checked out more than 5-6 persons, and we are just looking at each other. And for me, I am the kind of person that when I buy things, I like maybe tops and all those things, clothing, I remove the hanger before I even get to my checkout place, because I don't like wasting time waiting for the hangers to be removed and all those things. Those things take a lot of time. So even with that, it still did not speed up this auntie for me. Like, I was like, oh my goodness, madam, hurry up, I have another place to be at. But she was so sweet. Everybody is different, you know, you can't all be fast. And I know like the frustration would be for the people waiting you know, on the queue to get checked out as well. But again, I need to also leave that place because I need to go to Walmart. So for some weird reasons, we don't there is no spin brush. TJ Maxx that used to carry lots of spin brushes, no. Marshalls, no. So I don't even know what the problem is right now. So hopefully I have 2 things on my list that I'm not able to get, and I'm going to see if Walmart will save the day for us today, because it's almost time for me to go queue up for the kids. It's 1:15 p.m. For my driver's license, I actually started the process at home before I left. That kind of, you know, even wasted my time a little bit. But with that, when I signed up, it said that I can't renew my license online at that point in time. I have to go in to their office, so that would be another day. Otherwise, in short, my deadline is next week, so I can't even start joking around. I need to go get it renewed before some people come and carry me in another man's country and put me in jail. I'm not caught up for that kind of life. So yeah, but I got a few things. I got some cute stuff. I'm going to show you guys when I get home. But from Walmart, I'm going to head to the kids' school and just queue up. I don't intend to spend more than 5 minutes or 10 minutes at Walmart, give or take, including packing, getting in, getting out, because I know exactly where I'm going to, and I'm going to park close to the place and just head. I know where I'm going to. Like, I really have the planogram of Walmart in my head. That is how crazy it is. That is how I frequent Walmart. Thanks to Sister Baby, that's Barbara of Barbara's channel, Barbara's reality, that made me like Walmart, or almost loving Walmart more than anywhere now. So my God, no parking, no now. Wow. When I said including parking, the players have come to park now. It's going to add 2 extra minutes to my journey, to my time. So hey guys, I am back home. I'm tired. My head hurts like so badly. I have not eaten anything since morning. Before I left the house, I left the house around 11:30, and my goal was to, you know, get everything done, which I eventually did. Alhamdulillah, the kids are home too. They are downstairs. The mister has gone to, he left for the masjid before I got home. So I just want to quickly share the things that I got at this thing. I got outside. So luckily, the one I saw, they had 2 in stock, and I picked everything. This is the Conair brand. I used to have this. In short, my first ever face brush was this brand, and it lasted for so long. And yeah, so I also wanted to get this hairborne this thing, and this is also from Conair. So I got the one in dark brown. The one thing I know that I forgot is my hair dye, which I can just pick up from down the street. I got the medium size because sometimes for Khairia and myself, so I got 3 of what they also had in stock. Each of this is like $4. Like, you should have this. It just helps to hold most of, especially those of us that carry either natural hair and you want volume at the back of your hair. Okay, so they had 4 and I picked 4. Something miscellaneous, extra distant Wrigley spearmint chewing gum. I always have these. At Marshall's, I found some cute outfits, but let me share some of the self-care stuff that I got. I got this razor, this rechargeable razor, the one I have that I absolutely love. I got it from Dollar General, but when I saw this one and I saw the color scheme, I'm like, I love this, I'm going to get it. So when I wax a lot, why do I need razor? This is for like hard to reach places that are very sensitive that I don't want to wax. TMI. That is why. And the interesting part of it is that this is 18 karat gold plated razor, so you will be rest assured that okay, it won't cause any form of irritation and all that. So what did I get? I got my blemish remover. I saw this tweezer and I got it, and I got this natural Adele wispy lashes. This is not any cheaper than you'd find it at this thing. This is like $9.99, just say $10, just like $3 cheaper. This is one thing that I suffer very much in this house. Nail cutter, nail clipper set. This is from Precision Beauty. It is $4. Let's see how long this is going to last for, because all the clippers in this house, I bought them. Even though I keep long nails, the kids, their dad, I can't find, because everybody but me has a problem with putting things back where they picked it from. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so I wanted to get socks for Kairia. The ones I got were somehow were too neutral. There was no color, so I got this one with the pink, purple. It was hard to find her size. By the way, Marshall's, the one here is, I actually almost prefer it to the TJ Maxx down, because they had so many stuff, very nice stuff, like so organized. But I'm sure because it's new, that is why. So I also got her this colored long crew socks, and this one as well. I just like for my kids to always have socks. It's the one way my mom raised us. We were always wearing socks as kids, so it's something that I have kept up with my children as well. I got this flip-flop. Yeah, I found very cute tops. That wasn't what took me, but I just said, oh, with the way they have very nice things, let me just see what they have. Like, their things is not that much different from what you find at TJ Maxx, but maybe because they are pretty new, they are properly like well stocked, variety shoes, like lots of Crocs slippers, and I'm like, what? Yeah, but I wasn't there for socks, so I needed this. I wanted this top, this inner, this vest with the crew. Is it crew neck they call it? This is from Ralph Lauren, and I got this for $10. It's thick and it's stretchy, and I got it in size. I got it in size large, even though I'm a medium. I just want something very loose. I saw this suede raincoat or jacket. I don't even know what to call it. It's sleeveless, but it's suede, and I was like, I'm not going to leave this here. It's just so playful. I love the reverse seams that it has on the outside. And how much did I get? It's a bit expensive. It's Joan Vaz brand, New York, and I got it in size M, and this is 24. It wasn't, there's no much discount, just $5 discount that they had going on. There's a thing, I have a thing for black. Like, I love black tops. I just feel like they're a lot safer to wear, so I have a lot of black and white tops compared to any other color you think of, maybe red, pink. No, I have. So in case you're noticing something. So this is another black top that I saw and I liked. This is Cable and Gauge. I love Cable and Gauge outfits. I always find good ones at TJ Maxx. This one is just $10, and yeah, I'm so glad. And what size is this? Size large. Okay, size large. And it's spandex and it's stretchy. I don't like doing clothing hauls, because they're just too stressful for me. So it is summer and I love kimonos, so I found this cute short kimono. it has this lace detail, just something to wear over this thing, whatever, but I just like it. Even something to wear at home on weekends, you know, if you don't have anywhere to go to and you want to just dress down. And I think my absolute favorite of all the things I got is also this one, this kimono. This one is Vince Camuto, which is a very good brand as well, and it went for $24. And this one is from Steve Madden. This is linen. It's linen fabric and it has the lace detail on top as well, so you can just wear this over a top. And this one I got it for $20. So I think I did well. I got everything that I went out for, and this is just because I don't want to go out again, but I still have to go out on Monday to go get my license fixed. Otherwise the next thing I'll be on breaking news. A Nigerian girl is driving without license and they'll arrest me and probably send me to go and join Shion Kuti in Nigeria. Kiri kiri. But anyways, I think this is where I want to end this half-day vlog with me. Okay, I bought other things like popcorn, plantain chips. I'm sure you guys don't want to see that. I was munching on the plantain chips because I was so hungry in the car while I was waiting for to pick them kairia, so I was munching on that one. So you guys don't want to see plantain chips. I got that. I got shortbread, Walker's shortbread. You guys know everybody loves that. So that is it for this very short day in my life, and I'm going to go now to rest, to pray and rest, and catch you guys in my next video. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and bye.